Greetings, Utebucho Selepe Lona, usebenza Men's Voice, usebenza as a life coach and as a HH lay counselor.
Sanibonani, igama lami Olebogang Isibongo Kanhlengetho Umathumbela. I'm from Khanyisa Mahlalentabeni and I'm working as their paralegal officer. We are live on the Equitable podcast. I should it's you.
Mfundi mshana labantu bele baphathwe kahle nabo. Noma bahlupha mshana sawuthi.
Yambona ngithi unakekela uLebogang, Lebogang akaveli kahle. Active 30 Lebogang.
Mara nifuna kwenzekani?
No, it's not that.
Nenzani?
But it's kind of ukuthi ngathi ukhethela ama needs wakho kuphela. What about us?
Mara banikhaterile musonani. Kahle.
Uthi thina chief wena unganyakazi.
Yebo ngithe keze ngapha ukuze azobonakala.
Yes, simple. Shithi zorini ke guys.
Yikho right.
Kuya ngokuthi ubani.
Sanibonani. Welcome to another episode of the Equitable podcast. Sithanda ukunibingelela nonke emakhaya. Sibingelele bonke abashare ama reels, abashare ama stories, nalabo abalayikhayo, abashare ama episodes, nalabo abasha abaqeda ukusubscribe. Siyanithembisa ukuthi sizoniphathela i-content relatable enzisisana nayo futhi ngaso sonke isikhathi siphuthe i-agenda eyodwa eyokufundisa nje kuphela. Singakhohlwa igama uSiphiwe Maduma, umongameli wethu kuma social platforms. Namuhla ke ngiphethe ama guest wami. Niyabona nanitafula lihle kusho wona ukuthi bakhethekile. They are very special guests. Utebogo ngapha, Lebogang ngapha ngithi. Singakhohlwa ke i-producer ngale ne-editor uAnthony Ndlovu. Siyakubingelela nawe Mr. Producer. Ngaphandle yabona izinto zihambe kahle. Alright, awuthi ngithathe intambo ke ngizibeke abavashini bethu bathi ukuzi-introduce. Mr. Debs asawubona.
Sawubona Siphiwe kunjani?
Ayaphila mfowami ngezwe kuwe.
Hayi, ngiyaphilela ngoba sikhona sinawe namhlanje.
Ya, ngibonga isikhathi sakho mfethu, ngibonga ukufika la ekhaya ukuzipha isikhathi ukuthi ufike nje nawe uzoshare i-insight and uzotshela nje abantu ukuthi 1 2 3 4 5 sibonga ukufika nje mfowami.
Hayi, sibonga. Ngutebogo by the way ngokusilepe uhlala khona la eMalenhle ngokusebenza i-Men's Voice. Engithi nje qapu nje nge-Men's Voice ukuthi what's Men's Voice? Men's Voice it's where we restoring dignity yabo baba. Not only that, I work as an HGH lay counselor and okunye engikwenzayo usually because ngiyavisita nasema-clinic. I'm a life coach. Yeah.
Right. Sibonga i-introduction. Nice, sweet and short. Mama, Lebogang sawubona.
Hi, njani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
uLebogang awungichazela ani usebenza.
Oh, okay. Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya, igama uLebogang Isibongo Kanhlengetho Umathumbela Mpangazitha. Ngisebenza eKhanyisa Mahlalentabeni HBC and I'm currently there paralegal. I'm saying I'm currently there paralegal because I'm still furthering my studies to be on the legal field. Maybe a lawyer, I don't know, but we'll see when we get there. So basically what we do at Khanyisa, we are dealing with the AYP. People will ask what's AYP. AYP, it's young adolescents, girls and boys. So we cater for the age of 10 to 24. What we do is that we want them to access our services to our public clinics because we have seen with the rate of HIV and AIDS is very increasing, most especially kumantombazana. I'm not saying ukuthi ngiyaba stigmaza or kanjani, but it's growing ngendlela emangalisayo. So what we do, we make sure they access the services freely and also bring the component of justice in that space. Thank you.
Introduction. So basically, mangithatha ama introduction wenu to ama major together. Uthi niyasebenzisana nimo step.
Yes.
So Mr. Slepe nguzwe utouch base indaba counseling. The other one you to say it was
It's a life coach.
A life coach. Asitale kabanzi kule counseling. What do you do as a counselor?
From the party HTS, the lay councillor, it's when we do testing emphakathini.
HIV and AIDS
Yeah,
testing.
yes, HIV and AIDS testing,
Mhm.
whereby she provide nama medication, whereby mhlambe mangabe utestile positive, we will refer you with immediate effect. We asikulindisi, and then we at clinic, then they'll do the assess medication. How does it go? How does it work? Uphuza esikhathini and kumele kangujama. Si-engage nale ye-PrEP, i-PrEP whereby sikunika mangabe unomuntu oyipartner mhlambe uhlala naye endlini, whether umuntu wesifazane or wesilisa, mangabe u-HIV positive, that's when siku-engage ukuthi no, from this stage as i-partner yakho ikule condition so we figure out ukuthi for i-protection i-life yakho mhlambe ibe khona ibe stable, we will advise ukuthi uthathe i-PrEP to i-partner yakho because of i-positive. And i-PrEP, in most cases, I usually tell my clients ukuthi i-PrEP it's help, but mawuzoyiphuza as babakutshelile ama-instruction waseclinic, I usually say to the client, iphuze for 28 days, ibe ku-system. That's when mayiku-system yakho, that's when izo-interactor through i-system yakho. Yeah.
Okay, so because PrEP, I think people are using PrEP for different reasons.
Yes.
Because there's this ongoing trend, imagine, we say even if you are not HIV positive or your partner is not HIV positive, abantu sebasebenzisa i-PrEP for the sake of preventing ukuthi bona izibathole i-HIV and AIDS, which is a good thing. Yeah? But my main concern is when you start asking around ukuthi, how do you use PrEP? I think that's where I could say they are misinformed. Because some are only using PrEP after they were intimate or
yes.
before Baba intimate. And if you pick up what you've just said, which when they must drink it for 28 days so that is over in their immune system. So laba abathi bona bayiphuza only when belele nomuntu abangamthembi, it means ayisebenzi msibona.
No. Like I usually face such problems. Angeke uthi upartner wakho a positive, then wena u-negative, sikunika ukuthi uyiphuzise because of ufuna ukuyenza currently. Remember, it's a long process ekumele uyithathe. That is why especially ema-clinics baye bathi iphuze ize iphele ukuze ikhone uku-circulate ku-system yakho, so that ma u-engage nomuntu o-positive, ama-chances ukuthi uyithole wena abe slim.
So it means if kunomuntu currently uthatha i-PrEP and uthatha i-PrEP for the sake of saying ngiyithatha ngoba last week kunomuntu engilele naye, I'm gonna take it for 3 days and then I'm gonna stop, it's not gonna be effective.
I won't say it's gonna be effective or effective. The main people they misconduct the protocol ye PrEP. So they misuse bayithathe ngale ndlela uyazi so emphakathini uthuza nento ezokusave and then ubone ngathi mina ngendlela engikuchazela ngayo I exist. That's when ama-problem amabaningi, because they on that moment badibana nama-challenges amaningi. That's when end up being positive because of ungalandelanga ama-instructions. Because into ebalulekile nowadays, i-instruction iyona eshaya abantu.
So all in all, or in short, esingakusho ukuthi if it ever happens you decide to take it PrEP, you must take it as instructed by unurse or by a counselor.
Yes.
Not ngale ndlela wena ofila ngathi accommodator wena ngayo.
Yes.
Which is very good. Then sesibuka ngawungitshelela wena as a paralegal, what do you do now?
Okay, what's a paralegal? So I'm a definition, a paralegal can vary depending ukuthi usebenza on which platform, because kunama public and private paralegals, khona sebenza for i-government, khona sebenza for the non-government organization. So what we do thina emsebenzini, we have people, we call them reactors, ground advocates. So they go bayofuna ama-case lawo esidila nawo, in particular for i-group yethu, age population yethu 10 to 14 years, where they come with it officini lethu. We describe them ukuthi this case fall under this category, this case fall under this category. We have legal case, we have cases for LGBTQI community, we have cases which just speak with community accessing services to public health. We have abomkhulu bethu nabogogo bethu by they go to public health, uthola ukuthi admin yakhona uthethisa umkhulu ngendlela engekho right, ukhulumisa umkhulu ngendlela right. So that's where we come in, the space we come in, where we will advocate for those people. Ukuthi I'm voiceless, can you come and speak for us, because these nurses or lama public practitioner abasiphathi kahle ngendlela so. And then we also have the component whereby the case will be described as a rape case, assaulted case, ungithukile wangithuka yabo, izinto ezikanjalo. So that's where mina I'm more focused on. I'm not saying those other cases I'm not focusing on them, but our ground workers, they deal with them, and then they will ask for legal procedures to follow from me, and then now I will just give them a direction with and then when they found my cases now are illegal, your rape cases, your GPV cases, and then that's where I will start to say, introduce me to the client that you got, and then I'll come in and take it from there. So we have with different stakeholders on this, because in our organization we don't have e-counseling. So you find that I'll get that client agatholanga e-counseling on that rape cases, agalandelanga all the procedures. That's where Immense Voice comes in. I refer a case to Immense Voice, and then they have a social worker deal with that psychosocial part of it, and then I'll continue with the legal route.
Okay.
Yes.
So which means when excuse me. So which means when you are a representative of my clients who are treated unfairly.
Yes.
Of my clients who are figure a clinic to quality kuma services.
Yes.
My clients figure mhlambe sometimes be harsh or story sakhe singakholwa ngendlela mhlambe phela uyazi ukuthi as we are staying in Balance. It can okay ukuthi umuntu ukwazi personally, but une misconception of who you are.
Yes.
So ngelinye ilanga uyafika under a certain condition or under a certain trauma, umuntu ngoba ucabanga ukuthi behavior yakho lendlela ogcoka ngayo or lendlela ozipresenta ngayo ku social media masolethi icala phambili bese akasafuna ukulamkela ngoba unalento yokuthi vele wena so. That's where you come in.
Yes, that's where I come in.
So tell me this, we were speaking of PrEP.
Yes.
On the legal side, what can you say in PrEP?
Let me just start here to break it down. Remember, PrEP is one of the procedures esiwathathayo if when are you saying mina I don't want to use protection, ne? So obviously, as we're trying to meet the 95 strategy, we want to HIV ilimited, more especially in the AYP group. The rate of abantu abancane on the age group, rate of HIV, abatholakala HIV positive, iyakhuphuka instead of inciphe. So us as legal representative, we do say PrEP is a good thing to have. PrEP is a good thing to take. Kule age group is 7-9.
Okay, so you were saying that I recall you said you deal on the age from 10 to 14, eh?
24 years.
10 to 24.
Yes, which is AYP.
So don't you think, or abazali aba feeling that at a certain point you are promoting ingane who are less than 18 to be sexually active? I understand your perspective. It's only information basis and teachings, right?
Yes.
But akwenzeki even ama circumstances whereby parents feel ukuthi manje ezikolweni lemphakathini you are teaching kids about intercourse and so forth. Babona ngathi bona you are promoting ukuthi abantwana babe engaged.
Yes, babe sexually active. I wouldn't say that, although we have a client where umamami is saying that, no, you know what, you guys are promoting 1, 2, 3, and 4 with bantwana bethu babe sexually active. But remember, the government has put sexual reproduction system ku-education. So which means the purpose of ukuthi sibe khona and raise awareness to these children is very there, and it's very important because now ngeke size sikubalekele ukuthi they are sexually active and nkosi yami bayagijima ama 2000 wethu, so we need to play the part. Yes, we need to play the part.
Yeah. So ngibuyele kuwe ne
Yes.
Slap. Tell me this. I need to call it PrEP.
Yes.
The PrEP is the one you take if your partner is positive.
Positive, yes.
As much as abantu they are taking a PrEP to avoid being contaminated with the virus. Ne?
Yes.
So tell me this. There's this one they call PrEP. Ne? According to my understanding, PrEP ile ethathwa ilaba who are trauma victims.
Yes.
Bangenziwa they were raped or they bend without their consent and stuff like that.
Yes.
So tell me about PrEP. Okay, PrEP you understand it takes time to get into your system. PrEP is something that happens with immediate effect. So
yes.
Tell me the procedure behind the PrEP.
A procedure PrEP, my brother, it's work on victims, maybe rape as you specify. That's when they take you to a doctor, that's when they'll do the monitoring, because they'll do tests before, and then through those tests, and then they'll tell you what this is what you can give, what is going to monitor the disease that the inside, because it's work for plus minus 72 hours. Google system it flash out.
So which means if you are a rape victim, you could say, or whatever trauma, but sexual wise, because it will not necessarily specified which is even you. Even if you don't know to sign status sign, then we are told that within 2 days.
Yes.
It means you can still be safe if you can go for the relevant authorities. Go to the relevant authorities.
Yeah, you can.
72, which is 3 days.
Which is 3 days. So the thing is, there are people about positive who don't talk. I'm a state as well. And only to find out your partner being again or kakhulu again ama chances and another that tendency with lo angimthembi but ngoba condom ikhona then I'll do safety. Only to find out who girl is in or umchita is in this thing, then that's when, even if we are young especially, there are doctors who have a PrEP for ukuthi assist.
Yeah, mara ngithi uyazi ukuthi thina amajita sinale problem le yokungakhulumi yabo. Uzwa umuntu sekathi intwana nawe ushaya lapha. Uthi ya, athi ugqoke intwana yabo. That's the way of saying hey ngiyabheka lapha but there's humor involved. Abantu baba sarcastic.
Yes.
Umseka kutshela straight with mamela.
Kwenzakala.
Nakhona ngiya understand because mhlambe stigmatization yabo akafuni ukuthi kube ngathi ukhuluma indaba zomuntu but uba nendlela akutshela ngayo ukuthi yena ukrenda
ama signs yabonisa wona ukuthi
ugqoke ndoda hey nawe sekuzoya ngawe ukuthi uyithatha kanjani ne.
Okay, let me put that like this. I'll go through emergency. I was work ngamajita called as a life coach. Amajita are stigmatized in a way ukuthi as in mina nguThomas ngikholwa ngokubona. Yeah, until it happened, that's when I realized ukuthi vele ngiyabheka
mara solani
basangitshela akushuthi ayikho into enjalo ngizoyizwela. And secondly, we engage namajita kakhulu ukuthi guys, to avoid such, try to circumcise. Yes, abanye they do lento circumcision culture. Some they do it doctorate wise. So we engage to each and every male from the early age. We have people from right to care that we can engage and have seventh and it doesn't at this age. Tatumtuana refer so that's when. So by giving that information, it works somehow. Somehow I say, hey, There was a time elinye fruit mali manje le nyama yami yaphi le? No. I was like, no, man. The other doctor, they know what they do with it because they can't take it and then bang again with what's happening. I mean, it's their role. What they do after they do is circumcision. So if booze and then they will tell you what's happening. So yeah, I mean, unokusebenza naye right to care. I mean, it helps a lot ukuthi amajita asicircumcise and azi kakhulu nestatus sawo. Because inako lokho siyaku-implement emphakathini. Guys, we're there to assist. In more cases, amajita awafuni ukuya emakliniki. Mangathi check emalokishini. Kunamanye ama-stakeholders esisebenza nawo abanama-mobile clinics lamabhasi lokamabhasi and then nathi-ke esifieldini esigijimayo ukuthi abantu batheste and so on. Mangabe u-negative si-referra through i-PrEP yabo and then mangabe positive with immediate effect then we take to i-sister and then they do ama-instruction for yeah.
Yeah, so another thing, angifuni abantu basimisquote, because abantu they are very good ukuthi bathathe into oyishoyo bayihumushe ngendlela yabo. When we mean ukuthi we are encouraging people to circumcise, we are not saying if you are circumcised you cannot get the disease, but what we are saying is if you are circumcised the chances are less. It's not that there are no chances, but they are less because hygiene wise when awusafani nomuntu who's not circumcised. You understand? Angifuni isimisquote sisithole sesitrenda for the wrong reasons. You understand? Ngifuna sambisane because the purpose of the podcast is to bring information to you while you're at the comfort of your own home or usebhasini emsebenzini seteksini and so forth, right? So we're going to give you crucial information and accurate information. That is why whenever there's a guest, it's someone okuleyo field who's doing lento esikhuluma ngayo, not umuntu ozokutshela about what they think. We are not using a common sense. Like we said, paralegal, she's going to tell you the law side of what we are saying, right? And then ngisese lapho vele iPrEP wena suke sekwenze njani mhlawumbe representa i-client and then we decide for them which as routine. I think it's better if you can take iPrEP. Is it mhlawumbe vele umuntu who went through trauma udlwenguliwe or umuntu olele nomuntu which status sakhe was not disclosed or so forth? Wena kusuke sekunjani mhlawumbe maso refer umuntu which as routine, let's go to the clinic, let's go to the hospital, let's go to a doctor, but I suggest you take PrEP.
iPrEP ne basically mina ama-clients wami mase sewafika kimi ne most of them sewasuke sewahambile le process leyo ukuthi nasengiyile for iPrEP. I went to i-hospital kaso i-case sengiyivulile but my case is stuck e-police station, is stuck e-court, is stuck somewhere else or whatsoever, and then mina I will get ukuthi ngiba involved in that manner. So already mina most of my clients wasuke sewahambile the process of taking iPrEP. So suke ngekho kuningi ukuthi I'll have a client engizomrefera to go to take iPrEP as soon as ngazi ukuthi urapiwe or kanjani, basuke sebayihambile leyo process leyo. They come to me, maybe they say no, Lebogang, i-case yami it's stuck, it's been prolonging for 3 years. I don't know what to do. The court, I don't get the answers which I want. And I'm not sure what should I do in this matter. But I always advise abantu ukuthi young or old, umdala, umncane, ukugile, uyikhehla, because amakhehla nabo they do get raped. So I always advise most of my time ukuthi if you see ngathi there is something wrong in your system, go to your nearest clinic. Make sure you take good care of yourself. So immediately when ulale nomuntu or you've been raped, just go to your nearest facility and get help. Bona they'll know they will need to give you iPrEP as soon as possible to avoid ezinye izinto ezingekho right in your system.
Which means kahle a man's voice vele you are matched.
Yes.
Because pre-counseling is pre and post, right?
Yes, pre and post.
Pre-counseling, then post-counseling.
Counseling.
Afterwards, ngizafuna ukubuza futhi ukuthi kahle iPrEP it's not given to someone onganayo i-case number or noma anganayo i-case number, you will refer iphepha. Or umuntu omnika iphepha, you need to make sure ukuthi vele we are taking the legal route. If urage you, we first open up the case, then we give that person prep. Or kungavela noma ubani athi okay, kunomuntu olele nami without my consent, but angifuni ukulivula icala, but ngoba health wise ufuna ukuba nesiqiniseko sokuthi if there's something wrong akangigulisi, ngiyamnika naloyo muntu iphepha noma nifuna ukuthi vele avule icala.
So kahle legally ne, I cannot force uTebogo to open a case ne, that is not lawful. So kuzoya kuye ukuthi as uTebogo urejwe yimi uLebogang ne, so I'm going to the nearest facility as soon as uLebogang aqeda ngami. So mangifika lapha, maybe I do explain to sister or whatsoever engizomthola lapha ukuthi me as uTebogo ngirepo uLebogang, but angifuni ukuvula i-case due to ama reason why ne, ngicela ukuthi ning assistant abo sister, they know what they have to give you EPAP, and then also I believe ukuthi nabo they make sure ukuthi they give you ukuthi if you don't open a case kuzokwenzakala 1 2 3 and 4, or you might not like awukho sure okwamanje but this might happen, izinto ezikanjalo. But if you come to me, trust me, I will just convince you to open a case, because we are very tired of culprits. Like we are very tired of culprits. Benza izinto now and again, because law ayidlali indima yabo and they are scared ukuthi mangiya lapha ngizofike ngithini. Another thing, umphakathi wethu lack knowledge kakhulu ukuthi okay, now nginayo i-case, I've been raped, mara ngiyasaba because anginayo that information engimele ngibe nayo, yabo lento leyo. So that's why we sisemphakathini raising awareness ukuthi no bafethu, you need to report, ungathuli nento wazi kahle ukuthi at the end of the day izokhoza izinto ezinkulu empilweni yakho.
Like to add on what Lev was saying, my brother, yabona mangathi uyachecka i-level yokugula or i-sickness, I don't know how I can put it, too much both gender. Ngokungafundi nokungaziniki isikhathi ukwazi, ngiye ngaba buhlungu. There was a time when around, I won't say the place, senze dialogue, we visited the people and siza with something like kuleyo location abanganayo, and thola ukuthi clinic yakhona is far, and we came with the mobile, nurses are there, everything is there, but people denied to come. And only to find out in that space or that place that we were, those people, some of them, they've been raped. Some of them, they've been abused in a manner you would know. My brother, you'll be like, ish, what's happening in our country? When a problem, there are people who are willing to assist, but we decide to go to Shalenai. Who's gonna help you?
Your point, there's something again I born and I'm perpetrator. They are very good at instilling fear.
Yes. Yeah.
So I'm sabisa ngokumbulala those who are close to that particular person. Get what I'm saying? So something again I notice, I'm not sure. I'm not saying I equal, but I've never heard of something called witness protection like South Africa. You understand? I've only heard the term from American movies and so forth, right? But that person is under witness protection, which means the state is providing facilities. What if, as long as that case is ongoing, that person is safe? So I think that's some of the things because I am being raped by my neighbor. But I have to see that person every day after opening a case. And a piece of fence. You understand? Something and I jump or can walk over. I think those are some of the reasons why abantu keeper that trauma. They are both painful. But actually it will do more damage than being silent. That's where I think the law need to take part. You understand? As much as people are falsely accused nowadays, avula icase athi umdlengulile, understand? And then you know ukuthi they don't take such accusations like because there are people mhlambe ababoshiwe currently, they never raped. Yes, intercourse was there, but it was of consent. But just because the muntu changed her thoughts, makavuka ekuseni, or she wanted I could say compensation. Yeah, it's not the right time to say, but ngivele bafuna ukukhokhela. So ubefuna the compensation. Okay, we had sex, now you have to pay. Okay, what? I don't have such an X amount. What does it say? Well, I shall be flames. I understand. So I think as much as we are complaining about the law, abantu fanele babe nobuntu kubo. Ukuthi this thing of false accusations, just because uhlukane nomuntu, sika move on. So uthi azokuthini ngizomkhomba
lo who am I?
Yeah, but because there's something else I want to ask Lebohang, because ngeke ngiyazwa kwathiwa icala liboli thanda ukushiwo kanjani.
Yes.
Kuthiwa a person can openly rape. Ngiyibonile lento yenzeka America go P Diddy. Who's this other guy, this black guy, I forgot his name. Ngiyibonile yenza Bill Cosby. I've seen it happen to Bill Cosby. Bill Cosby is an old man currently, but uvuka amacala wenza at the age of 35 years ago, you understand? So I want to know on the legal side, can you build up a case for that long before you present it to the law or to the magistrate or whatsoever?
Okay, before answering that question, let me start here because Jobang being sure people lack knowledge, like serious, like Lentole is very concerning because Sisi Koina, the organization, I don't wanna lie, Koina, and they are working tirelessly. The thing is that umphakathi awufuni ukuza forefront and say mina Lebohang mina this challenges 1 2 3 and 4 because immediately ufike ema office in 8 as much as ngingadili nalento leyo ozocomplaina ngayo, even if it's not on my scope of work, I will make sure ukuthi you get help because we are stakeholders siyasebenzisana. And then coming to a point ukuthi ngihlala ne-perpetrator la, that's why people don't open my cases and so forth. No, even la South Africa kuyenzeka lento leyo. If mina ngizokhuluma to the people that I know I've worked through or I've worked with or the cases that I have in the office currently, there are people othola ukuthi urape in next door neighbor or same street, bahlala on the same street. What the law does is that they will remove or they will tell the perpetrator ukuthi ngicela usuke bhuti, because la wena une victim yethu, although we cannot prove enough ukuthi uyenzile lento le because there are processes that need to be taken place, investigation and whatnot, they will just try to make sure that they remove the perpetrator or they tell the perpetrator, can you please find another place to stay, because right now we enter a secondary victimization to our victims. Yes, so that thing does happen and it in South Africa. I'm just gonna make that clear. And then moving to your question was, I forgot.
The question was, what was the question?
Yeah. No, I just wanted to clarify with some of the things. Yes, I'm giving because I'm saying with vele we lacking in knowledge.
My question was, you see, the thing is now I wanted to add on what you were saying.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me first add. There's an ongoing case, yeah? They are saying allegedly a police officer killed 2 guys who were doing a robbery, right? So they said that guy must move away, go to a secondary area, so that where he stays and where the victims' families are good in
Yes.
So yeah, second what you are saying is true. I understand. Then my question was, it was a going case at Bill Cosby. He did something at the age of 30, 25, ne?
Oh, amacala babuli.
So
yes.
Can a case acquire evidence for 35 years before it is taken to court?
Yes, when they say icala alboli, guys. Yes. So icala, let me say that time as now that valid evidence ukuthi mina ngimrapile vele uTebogo. The IO is trying to get that information, working all together with amaphoyisa. They are still investigating. It can take 4 years, 3 years, depending what case yakho kanjani. Yes, that's why we always say to ama victims wethu immediately mawubona ukuthi hayi man mina vele ngirapiwe or vele I'm being raped, don't gather, just go to a clinic so that i-case yakho
Izoba
yes,
evident
evident DNA
strong,
ikhona,
yes.
everything ikhona at that point. So immediately don't change even impahla, just go like that so that i-case yakho ke iba short, ayithatha isikhathi eside. So what our community is doing is that ngizomgeza umntwana bese ngekliniki.
But then
Obviously even if ngiyafika ekliniki usister uyabona ukuthi there was i-perpetration or
Yes.
yabo i-penetration to that kid. Mara i-evidence ogezile, yabo, it will take long to prove that, no. So that's why we say ukuthi no, immediately wazi ukuthi no, mina 1 2 3 and 4 has been done to me, just go to your nearest clinic so that i-case yakho ithatha that amount of time ezothatha, but iqala aliboli.
which means into eyenza icala lithatha isikhathi eside ukuthi there was sufficient, not sufficient evidence.
Yes.
So now bazama ukubuild up i-case ukuthi at least if possible kube ne-second victim ezofika ishow the same thing with more evidence, or if that's not the case they are trying, I could say, to monitor the perpetrator, bakhona ukubona i-behavior, ba-check ama-moves wakhe, ba-investigate in depth kahle kahle, baze bakhona ukuthola ukuthi vele umuntu who's capable of doing such damage.
things.
You understand?
Yes, but not per se, ne? Njoba ngisho ukuthi icala aliboli. UTebogo ngimrepile, makaceda lapho yena ayogeza. Sekaya ekliniki, makafike utshintshile nale impahla everything. Because masithi ungatshintshi impahla, you do know ukuthi inwele zami zingawa even yes, like even my fingerprints, you know those kind of things. Angeke ngize ngikhulume ngeprocess abayenzayo, but what I know is that immediately urape, you go to a facility and you tell ukuthi yazi I'm being raped bafethu, kuhamba kaso. Our sister, immediately they give you pep, ne? They take you to emaphoyiseni, and then amaphoyisa they know what to do. They take you where you need to khona. They do EJ88, they feel everything, and then i-case iyaqhubeka and i-evidence yonke ikhona. But if ngizogeza and then ngiyahamba ngeklinik, you see ukuthi there is less evidence, although usister azobona ukuthi no vele kunento eyenzekile, but there is evidence ayikho enough, so that's why iba yes cala gcinela idraga or manifike court ubhale lokhu statement.
So change the statement.
That one is very important. Ubhale lokhu statement, ne? And then mawufike court you saying something else. Yabo ukuthi manje i-IO mele yoqala phansi ibheke i-situation ukuthi why you telling the truth, why you lying. So all those things ziyenza ukuthi i-case idregeke, what not. Maybe urape umntwana obviously, but umama makafika lapha yasekabona ukuthi no uguy unemali, no change statement say yabo hayi uguy i-bribe uguy uthi uzosinikeza imali, he will take care of us nanthula yabo, then umama uthatha imali. So i-case umntwana say jeopardized like that, yabo, and uyakhohlwa ukuthi umntwana lo uhlukumezekile. Yes, uzohlala nale trauma for impilo yakhe yonke sometimes.
If there's something I would say I've learned in a statement, ne? But if you're going to give out a statement, avoid by all means Bush's cut.
Yes.
Because today is what it's 10:06. Sasuti quarter past. Sasuti 18 minutes past. And that's gonna work against you because it's like manje
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Because I've watched the case before whereby the victim stated this cut. Eh? And then Mababuza, Apollo, they were on, they were off. You see the angle.
Yes.
I get you are saying it's 10:07.
Yes.
Logically, 6 o'clock automatically the lights come on, right?
Yes.
But not when in the 7, then you are not sure whether the lights were
on or off. There was load shedding or what not. Load shedding. So yeah, that process must say good cross examination vele ecourt izokushaya because now ngizokubuza uzongibuza. Yabo ngo10 past ama-Apollo on bekune load shedding bengekho load shedding singaxakeka, and at that time remember ukuthi kuningi okwenzakala la khanda lami.
As much as you are representing a victim, there's also someone who's representing the
perpetrator. Yes.
He understands the same law that you understand, right?
Yes.
And he knows what you know. So he or she will come at all the other angles that we don't think of, right?
Yes.
So as much as we are saying Abantu must come forward, abantu must come forward ngento kuyiqiniso.
Yes,
That's
I
true.
understand.
that's true.
Because as much as ngibona ukuthi okay, people are falsely accused, ne? But I wouldn't like ukuthi kube nomuntu vele oyi-victim but aphumele obala angalitholi usizo. Because leyo perpetrator will do it to the next person azagcine kuba into ayijwayele ukuthi vele into ngiyayenza kwenzekani.
Next
Sure,
thing.
iyahlala yenza.
Speaking of the incident ebeyenzeka kuphi 16, right? Ukuthi that guy was a close family friend and ama-rape victims bantu ajwayele ukubavakashela. So labantwana balapho bamjwayele abamsaba umalume bayabazi. Only to figure out umalume uyaluma. Get the point? So abantu uspace sabo, they should learn to build a barrier.
Yebo.
Ukuthi yebo umuntu ngimamkela ngafika kami but there's a limit. Uze kimi akazange ingane zami.
Yes.
So akangafiki la but a build a relationship nomntwana. Ukuthi umntwana sekathemba yena ukudlula mina. Because at some point akusukuthi abantu they don't come forward because abafundi. Nalento labantu ababatshela yona. Sometimes they don't instill fear.
Yeah.
But bayaba program ukuthi I am doing this for you, not for me. You understand? If you do this for me, I will do this. I will do that for you. Yabo? Asenze lento le ngizokukherisa. Umntwana yabo ukuthi vela ngikhere. You understand? So yizo zonke izinto abantu ekufuna bazinake. That's why ngihlala ngipromote ukuthi umuntu nomntwana they should build a good
Relationship, a strong one.
Umntwana makakutshela something ungathi ungakamuzwa sekaqeda uthini?
Yeah. Yangisethisa
No. Learn ukuthi u-accommodate umntwana kube nendlela okhuluma naye ngayo so that azothemba wena ukudlula wonke omunye umuntu.
Yes, because when you are the safe space. Another thing to add on that point, I think also a community is afraid ukuthi ngihambe ngiyosho ukuthi as I have this thing 1 2 3 and 4 eyenzakalayo emphakathini wethu. It's because of also the cases are prolongayo. Because umuntu uyabona ukuthi usibani bamrape but still usahamba court yabo. So I also think ukuthi that thing also add an impact to our community ukuthi angizolokho ngicingwe court isikhathi eside yakuyafana yabo. Buka ukuthi it's been 5 years akwenzakala nix, it's 10 years akwenzakala nix, no justice none. I think also that also add to community with na vele ngizoyeka so because usibani bamrape. I remember it was 2010 but now it's 2025 and case yakhe is still on. Yes.
We spoke of PrEP, we spoke of PEP.
Yes.
Okay, is it true that PrEP contains I don't know to say chemical reactions or ingredients which are part of our ARVs? Because now I want us to talk about ARVs. But if you listen to the point which does PrEP contain certain ingredients according to my ARVs?
I'll let them to answer that one.
No, I will say, my brother, I won't say I'm not that clear, but honestly so. Medication bayenza to an extent ukuthi avoid something and bayenza in a way yokuthi ngeke ngenze into ungazi ukuthi kusasa izokwenzelana. So every medication yenziwayo so kune purpose ukuthi once uyi victim yento so wena uthatha le ukuze uavoideke into so there was a reason. So nowadays people they misinterpret yonke lento le. They don't use protocol from what they've been told. Remember emakasi sinabo professor basekhasi. We do have professors ekhasi ne understand the protocol from la iqalwa khona lento ye PrEP. Yena uzofuna uku-engage ngendlela yakhe understanda ngayo and of it is wrong. That is why sinxusa sibaxela abafowethu ukuthi guys, if you need to know something, come to the people who knows those things that they work with. So you can't assume something which izongisebenzela kanje. It's out of the line. That is why some people balahla i-concentration yokungazi izinto. And lapha sozuza into eziseceleni ezingenzi lento lokutshele yona. Yabo, so kubalekile man. As if we can learn ngiyazi siyaye ekolweni azange siyiqede isikolo, but there's law that's happening especially ku society that you can learn of. Bangabi ignorant, my brother. That is why kunalama NGOs, that is why kunalama NPOs ukuletha such information, because people, my brother, bas let her down, man. You see something othi noma uhleli nawe uzibuza ukuthi ngiyenza lento le but kunento esase so nyana ube like yo kanti senzani.
Yazi nokubona abantu once babona umuntu ogcoka iskipa se-HIV and AIDS bakhipha
wafuna ukwazi
uzofundisa
or uzokwenzani or ngizengani
iskipa
esibhale HIV yangangeni loyo hayi.
Abantu abafuna ukuba informative.
Yes.
I think I don't know say they're ignorant, but ngathi banalento leyo ukuthi ngizozwa ngayo sengibambile. You understand?
And that's wrong.
Which
Totally
is
out.
Totally out. You understand?
Out.
Hence yingakho nabantu abaningi bane misconception nge-PrEP. Ngoba mawuthi uyabuza ukuthi guys, do you understand nge-PrEP? Acha udla iphilisi
For the rest of
the
the
rest of your life lokuthi ungaguliswa ilento ozoyidlela iphilisi. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
That's how they put it. You understand? Bese umuntu noma ayidinga kuba ngathi ish
Sikubam discourage.
kuyafana.
The very same person uyasolokayo.
Noma ngangigulisa ngizolidla lephilisi ngoba naleli ufuna ngilidle for the rest of my life. I understand? Yeah.
And which is not the case. I-PrEP ungayiyekela ngisho if you feel like now so safe.
So
So
right.
i-partner yakho sinayo leyo partner leyo bongathi uyayisola, you can like say I sing writing.
Like okay, i-PrEP it's not a must. But it's a must ukuthi wena ube right ukuthi umzimba wakho uhlala yes.
Angithi understand kwami zonke lezi zinto affect i-CD4 count.
Yes.
So which means if you are taking all these medications ama-social comzimba, you are arming angithi
Your
ama-blood
system,
cells wakho
yes,
ukuthi
yes.
apick up ingabi below is it 500?
I don't know.
Yeah, if I can recall, if it's below 500, you're not in a good
You need
space.
space, yeah.
Mele uzokhona ukunyuka at least 750 na. If I'm wrong, askisini. But at least stop. Ngiyazi nje uku-attack. If I'm wrong, askisini.
Just sorry.
Sorry.
Fact check, afuna fact check.
Yeah.
Check ukuthi ifuna ingabi ngaphansi kwabani, at least mayiphezulu kwabani, you understand? That's the main purpose of yonke le medication, you understand? So let's tackle ama-ARVs, yeah? Because one thing I notice, if you go your test, like you said, with pre and post counseling, yeah? Why early pre-counseling? Bakubuze, uphilayo, how many sexual partners do you have? We always say one, even there's five.
Yes.
That's how we want. Are you sure we want? Aye, are you using protected sex, unprotected sex? Which I know, since it's a protection, yeah, sometimes it's not good.
Course, yeah.
Ukhumbule ukuthi as much as they are asking a question, they need to note down certain things. Your behavior.
Yakho.
Ukuthi umuntu onjani, you understand? Hambe i-post pre-counseling iphele bese bakubuza ukuthi okay, if siyak-testa manje and you are positive, who's the first person you're gonna tell? Yabo? Okay, at that time I was saying at home, you understand? I was saying, okay, I was gonna tell my mom. But why mama? Because we want to emotional on your support most of the things.
Yeah.
So uma ngitshela yena, angicabanga ukuthi angangijudge. But uzofuna ukuthi angidirectele to the right channels with okay, you were wrong, but it's okay.
Yeah.
From here onwards, this is what you're gonna do. But okay, then after your mom, who else can you tell? They are trying to figure out ukuthi lo muntu engithandana naye ubaluleke kangakanani. So yeah, should okay, the second person would be umathandana wami ngithi.
Yeah.
Thambo lamathambo wami yabo.
Yes.
But oh okay, but uzoqala ngoma ngithi uzoqala ngoma ngoba ngihlala naye.
Yeah.
Ngiyamthemba.
Yeah.
The second person would be umuntu lo
Umuntu ozwana
engage
naye.
naye sexually yabo. But alright, chap. Siyawathatha ama results, they come back negative. Okay, there's nothing wrong if anjani.
Yes.
What they're gonna do instead of post counseling now, they're gonna do this thing. I don't know whether to say encouragement of good behavior. Ukuthi ke njengoba uphethe kahle, qhubeka uziphathe kahle. These are the options akhona. Qhubeka kwenze kanje yabo. But you can come back after 3 months or so.
Yes.
And then there's something I've picked as well. Ukuthi, okay, let me just say it's an alleged theory. I'm not proof, but my certain source said it's correct.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ama HIV test kits, they are not as accurate as ama blood tests. Ukuthi test kit can say if you are taking your treatment properly. Let's say I'm positive, you are negative. Start a relationship. Which one again? Let's test. If I'm taking my ARVs, I'm correct, and I've been taking them for the required time.
Yes.
If they choose your test, I'm gonna come out negative. Because CD4 count is a set before CPKP.
Yes.
So if viral load is no longer
longer
high,
yes.
Yeah.
so
Yes.
I'm negative.
Negative.
So is it true?
Yes.
Yeah, it's true.
So
100.
which means the only reliable thing I call the blood test.
Think,
Yes.
Yeah,
Le blood
yeah.
test le.
Yeah.
Le,
Yeah.
yeah. I don't know. I'm a nest or sister assist on this one, but mina according to knowledge angisho wena uthatha ama ARVs wakho. Obviously LTD yakho izokwehla, i-viral load yakho izokwehla. Mase so testa you become negative although you still taking.
Positive.
That's why we encourage people ukuthi bathathe ama ARVs wabo, ne? Okay, now ngiyatesta negative, you my partner ungitshelanga nami negative. Sharp, cool. The only thing is when you are HIV positive, ukuthi sithathe lama blood test laba. Yeah.
ELISA.
So, yes,
We
that's
call it ELISA.
yes. That's how we know ukuthi na umjita is HIV positive. So I think that's the only time esizokwazi ngayo ukuthi I have HIV positive. But I stand to be corrected on this statement. I'm not too sure about it. Yes.
So I'm positive, ne?
Mm-hmm.
Siyawathatha ama-test. They come back, they're saying we are both negative. Ne? The reason why we are testing is because mina ngikhala ngerabha, mina ngisayifuni irabha. And then mina ngiyasazi status sami, but angidisclosanga ngithi. Mangitesta sengithi sitting negative. Nawe usuyakhululeka. Ukuthi okay, testile noGayi. uGayi negative, nami negative. What could go wrong? Because so into safe, right? Not knowing ukuthi ayikho accurate i-test kit other than ukudonsa igazi, yangibona. So let's say isitestile kuyaphuma ukuthi ngi-negative, nawe ngithi u-negative, right? But mina I know I'm positive. Then kuyenzeka obvious if it happens we move in together, ngeke ngisakhona ukuphuza i-treatment yami in secret, angithi. Obvious it's either ngiyayiyeka or ngiyadisclose, and angifuni ukudisclose. So obviously ngizothatha iphi option, ngizoyiyekela. So ngiyayekela and wena wazi ukuthini, we are both negative, angithi. So siyahamba isikhathi, ngelinye ilanga uthi your test or you get pregnant, then mawuye eclinic so uthola ukuthi u-positive, angithi. So tshela mina-ke, I read that there's a law eshoyo ukuthi umuntu uyakhona ukumbophisa if infectile and knowingly yena bekazi. Understand? So entweni enjalo, do you think in a substance or they'll have to go and backdate ukuthi lo muntu wathola nini ukuthi yena positive? Do they go back and investigate or kuvele kuthathwa icala njengoba umuntu alibeka? Or nakhona there's a certain procedure elandelwayo ukuthi okay, njengoba uthi wena so positive, you were negative, uthole nini ukuthi positive? Noma mhlawumbe ngithola manje njengoba ngi-pregnant. What tangible proof can I provide with being negative mina before wena bowu-negative before uthandana nami? Yini ongayiprova?
Okay. So I'm sorry if this thing is not the correct information, but we have something called TIA.net mental health, which keeps my records for my patient who's a chronic medication. So if I KZN, that TIA.net, if I'm not mistaken, can see ukuthi uLebogang uthatha ama-pills eMpumalanga endaweni so and has been taking amaphilisi
For isikhathi esingaka.
So going to the effect of legally what can be done, ukuthelela umuntu ngesandulela ngculaza, whereas the other part can use
Be positive.
and did not disclose. Ngemthetho we call it attempted murder because uyazi impethu of course there are procedures that need to be followed. TIA.net can tell you everything. Ufikile la watesta and then mase sekatestile maybe at this point ngenyanga so watesta kwaba negative, and then mase sekabuya after 6 months or 3 months watesta kwaba
Positive.
We also have i-green book ne, so subcodes tier.net the way ama-HTS registered to write uzibani ufikile ngilangisoso so watesta kwaba negative. So that green book is taken to ama-data capture which they capture with tier.net or information.
But that's only accessible to ama-employees we-Department of Health. So which means lowo muntu kuyofanele vele avule icala. And then it can be taken from ukuthi okay njengoba sowuvula icala ukuthi khona umuntu infectile nge-virus, then sekwenziwa lawo ma-investigation sekuyiwa ku-tier.net kuya-check-wa ukuthi this thing it's clear and on yeah. Sorry.
What was the reason?
Ngicala ukuthandana.
So manje uyabona kwenzakalani then
Kahle kahle shuthi kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi as much as ningathesta nisebenzise ama-test kit but niqhubeke niye phambili ni-check ezinye izinto ukuthi okay sithestile ngama-test kit athi is right but let's go and check those igazi.
More especially isikhathi ngakho vela uyithini siyamazi vele uzibani bani nayo imali enhle hey are you busy yazi akabambeki so now we're going siyatesta and we find out it's negative. How come babe like how come babe ayikuthi ukum-accuser
Funa assurance.
Ufuna assurance because now I don't want to be sick, you know angifuni ukugula and I remember okay I'm not trying to stigmatize or discriminate but ama-ARV treatment is for the rest of my life. So when if uyangithelela which means now I have to take the treatment for the rest of my life.
so umoshe like so kune-trauma oyifakile kuye asazohlala nabanisa
Yes.
nawe
Of which I trusted you.
Ngempilo yami.
Ngempilo yami. So if now you're saying let's stop using protection.
and on top of that lokuthi umuntu o-allergic to noma such situation kwabanye abantu sekuba sedalenye i-problem
Kwenzela i-depression manje.
so ucabanga otherwise ukuthi no man yazi ngicala lami uyangijwayela
Kahle kahle.
so lo kumele ngiyekuphisa ayikele so uyabona nje okubalulekile what we are trying to say guys know your status, know yourself. You can't know you can't wazi ulebo nomuntu wakhe ahamba ekliniki bese nithi nami
Yes. If you test them in
it's impossible ayikaze asebenzi samajita another tendency ukuthi mina mama simakatestile makabuya ngitshela ukuthi hamba
No grand.
no grand what if ngiyathatha but
Angeke akutshele. Angithi ngibona lento makukhulela umuntu wesifazane. Wathesta waba negative bathi buya nalo baba.
yebo
Uthi mara wena right but woza sizocheck ukuthi vele nihambisana together or wena uyagwinya nedawu. Yebo.
balekela ama-problem afana nalo.
Okay. We said we're gonna touch base kuma-ARVs. Ku-relevant. Ngihambelana nesihloko vele. So tshelani mina ekuthatheni komuntu ama-ARVs, do you continue to do i-counselling to ensure ukuthi lowo muntu akabi ignorant awathathe angawaphuzi, loyo muntu akawathathi bese abe nalento yokuthi yazi ukuthini if angamvuni I'm gonna spread because I've read of ama-cases kuma-newspapers so this person was aware ukuthi positive but he went on a spreading spree ukuthi nami ngiyofa nabantu abaningi. You-understand? So manibanika ama-ARVs labantu niyachubeka nibakhansele ukuthi yazi ukuthini ungabeseke ucabanga ukuthi njengoba ugula uzofa. If you take your treatment and you stick to i-treatment yakho i-viral load yakho izosuppresseka yehle uzoba healthy, you can have kids, you can live longer than umuntu onganayo i-virus yabo because in most cases I think abantu bacabanga ukuthi when they come into contact ne-virus life yabo seyiphelile sengathi loyo nyaka ngeke azawuqeda yabo. So I wanna know ukuthi do you continue giving them counselling as they take ama-ARVs?
Yeah, we do siyawenza ama-follow up.
Mhm.
Especially ama-clinics, as much as bazi ukuthi kunama-NGO enza,
Mhm.
especially ama-follow up. They do tell us we have such patients, and lawo ma-patient siyabona ukuthi sebajampile nama-clinic. Maybe please
Mhm.
engage and have proper counseling. Yebo mhlambe kunama-reason enzakele
Mhm.
aside ukuthi
Ngiyawazi.
maybe
Go and make sure.
make sure ukuthi this person is still on tier or kwenzakalayo. That's when we seeking to do sevenza khona impilo. And kune point wetouchile ukuthi abantu athola ukuthi umuntu wakhe test positive.
Yeah, leyo ngiyi-witnessile leyo.
You do, my brother.
Mm.
We have a lot of people abanayo family
And bazala abantwana who are HIV negative. That's something I wanted to emphasize. Ukuthi uyathola ukuthi abantu ba-positive but umntwana is negative. Only if or only when they follow procedures bathathe treatment. So being positive doesn't mean it's the end of the world. If uzoqhubeka uthathe treatment yakho, all will fall into place. Yebo. So yiko ngithi abantu abagqugquzelwe. There's this thing you kept on saying ukuthi abantu abalufuni ulwazi. Yabona umthombo, everybody knows ukuthi if you are this, that's where you go uzophuza, yabona. But information wise, abantu they prefer ama-conspiracy rather than going the right route bawuthole khona information accurate. Yebo. So ama-offices akhona, ama-NGO maningi angithi. So asiwayutilizeni. As much as I think I'm gonna say allegedly. As much as allegedly it is said ukuthi uTrump retractor 17% of what the United States government was providing with WHO. And speaking of such, if WHO pulls back, it's the World Health Organization, and if it pulls back, since according to me, it's the major sponsor, and wonke lama NGO, all these things going on around, and hey, pretty much go up, support.
My brother, to go through what you're saying, we are pleasing, we are paying. Baba enze into right. And hopefully there are certain days as believe ukuthi after Mopela consider it paying. Because if it happened, that the WHO environment, hey, it's gonna be a mess.
Uzosaphala like your pet.
So not looking, sorry.
We are praying ukuthi hey umuntu angaqali enze into ebayiqala yokwenzakala.
As we know ukuthi thina ama-South Africans, the reason why we are famous worldwide is because regardless ukuthi i-situation ibucayi kangakanani, sivele sibe sarcastic. You understand? Ngikhuluma, I was speaking to a friend of mine a couple of days ago. Ngithi mina kuyena, yazi if i-World Health Organization closes down, first into affect unemployment.
Yes, that's true.
Because Bank, I think they started last year, cut off ama-funds. And to cut off ama-funds, it means kwenziwani? Retrench abasebenzi. So people who are informative, people who are on the field, ebebasinikeza all this information for free. You understand? Because yiba beza kithi, we don't go to them. Bamisiwe emsebenzini. Which means now isizwe asisafuni because umthombo wolwazi uretractiwe, you understand? So number one, unemployment. Number two, information. Abantu banalo idatha but they don't research about health. You understand? Hence benibamba or nibamba iqhaza ekupheni abantu ulwazi. You understand? Thirdly, baningi abantu who are under treatment. I'm not saying more under treatment you must disclose to everybody. You understand? It's your own personal thing if I'm not dealing nayo. But I think at this current state, if you're gonna engage no muntu sexual wise, you must be very, very careful. Ungathesti umuntu ngamehlo ngathi ne-microscope wena yokubona ama-viral load womuntu, you understand? You must check and double check because abantu bebavele bagula, akhona ama-channels a-right wokubanika usizo nolwazi. Just imagine if all those doors are being shut down. Genocide.
Phela mangathi uyacheka mawucheka izinto ezikhona South Africa we have plus minus 8 million. So what will happen?
Mawuthi uvala lowo mnyango.
What will
But ngizwe ngandlela thize ngathi bathi China ne? Bathi China ithi yona it will step in if America decides to pull off i-supply yama-ARVs and so forth, you understand? So i-concern yami mina ukuthi azi mina ngipreferani ukuthi if there's a certain company ye-beverage X singayilindi ivalwe before we implement i-beverage Y. I prefer ukuthi kube no X no Y simultaneously bese abantu they choose what's best. You understand? Because you cannot make decision based on a position of weakness. Uma ucindezelekile, you are not logical. Ucabanga ngokwey'dingo zakho. So even if lento bangayiproducer ingaphasi, we will never know because vele it's the only option available. Even if it fails, we will be fed something engaphasanga just because they wanna prove to the X type of a person ukuthi we can survive without work. You understand? So if you yami manje ukuthi okay to all of those who are under treatment, if iyavalwa lesebenzayo, how sure are we lezo implement ukuthi is it gonna work or not? Because now it's not a competition. Angithi it's the same thing eyenzakalile ngama-jabs. Angithi ukuthi there was Johnson and Johnson, there was this and that. Le yavela kwathi cause ama-blood clots, kwazanywa le kwathiwa ama-migraines. You get where I'm going. Ukuthi at least if there are multiple options, abantu can try this and that. But if you're gonna depend on another country, yebo?
So in simple terms, lento le it's something that we as African, I'm gonna say we as Africans, because we are a continent, and
Exactly.
if we count as China do this other thing after the end, it's a mind and eye opening to us. We should stand for ourselves. For some other things to be exported, imported into our country. Okay, if 1, 2, 3 doesn't work, we know it's simple. It's just an eye opening to us.
Now I think it's about time, as you said, Africa as a whole. It's not Colombia, South Africa, because this is an African thing and it is a continent wide. I don't think ukuthi mhlambe out of 3 million doctors abakhona worldwide, asinayo 100,000 engakama apha nama-ARVs or PrEP or PrEP, you understand? At some point, I think they are familiar now wonke ama-lab experiments or whatsoever setshenziswayo angithi. So they might know exactly where to go. Yabo? But I think futhi yazi ngihlale ngisho ukuthi yazi sometimes into uma uyibukela la yona iyathusa, but if ubuka le uphinde ube nenye view, you understand? Because I think uke wakhuluma kakhulu nge-Burkina Faso le under Traore ukuthi that guy doesn't take funding from kwamanye ama-country. He uses what he has ku-country yakhe. So ustate lento leyo kakhulu because bekakhulumela ukuthi out of the 17% abasifanda ngayo as i-WHO, it's not like asinayo leyo mali. It's money which is going to i-corruption. So ukhalela ukuthi siyanifanda, yes, but you are misusing ama-funds at some point because ninawo wenu, but nidepende kakhulu kulawa wethu. So sort out your finances kule 90 days. Whilst thina sisacabanga ukuthi are we gonna continue assisting or we pulling out? You understand? At some point it's a wake up call ukuthi umuntu ayekele ukuba ugumbela kwesakhe. Stop taking from the poor and the weak, you understand? Zama ukuthi angisho ukuthi bangajotshi ngoba vele angeke basitophe, mara abatshotsheli bahlakaniphe, understand, bangajotshi kuze kubonakale, kubone nomntwana omncane ukuthi phela la siyasabothajwa la, understand. Yeah, so we spoke of i-PrEP, ama-ARVs angithi. You said you do, besides the counseling, what's this other thing you said you do? I-life coach. Ngike ngakubona ey'kolweni ne nihamba namaphoyisa. What is it that you do manihamba namaphoyisa? Do you still speak of what you do ku-Men's Voice, or now uku-different structure, so ukhuluma ngokwe-crime, ukhuluma nge-behavior and violence and stuff?
We still do one and the same thing.
Mhm.
Just that, because you remember that really ultra
Umsemanzi, yeah.
so that is why siya nasekolweni especially not ukuthi babe alert but because of izinto ezenzakalayo ku-society
Society as a
there's
whole, yeah.
lot. So we go there for motivation, indlela yokuziphatha, nama-drugs impact yakhona, and so on, all those things. So masiye ey'kolweni we just normalize on what's happening in society.
Ithi nje singasho ukuthi vele niya lapha brother to brother,
Rather to
sikukhuluma nabo behavioral wise, but checking, ngifuna ukuba negative, but checking ilokishi esibulo, do you think there's still hope?
Yeah,
Because
sorry to cut. My brother, there is hope. Remember, there is hope. There is the change. We can't just go to Kolweni. There are who are listening.
yeah, khona
We
bazwa.
have those who don't think with mental illness. So we have 100% hope that there will be
Eventually.
a change. Currently, kune-security company khona because they're doing both the impact and parity. We just want as long as we engage in it, these people, as much as they do the protective work, why can't we go with them, especially to all those schools in Kenya, and engage and start telling safety, and protection, and ukuziphatha nokuhlonipha, zonke lezi zinto. Izinto ezenzeka emalokishini hayi ngokuthi ngokungeke but ngokuyoti
Babantwana, yeah.
So it's something that we're trying to do.
Yeah. To also add on that, is there still hope now? I think they still have hope. That's why singing a once off thing. Be there
Repeatedly, yeah.
Because angeke uzwe ngelanga lokuqala ukuthi mhlambe laba angibezwa nokuthi but maybe we come back for the second time, you're starting to understand ukuthi oh okay, that's why nasesikoleni uyafundiswa, there's a test, there's an exam. So that's what we're doing. We go there continuously, senza ama-health talks, sithola sisemphakathini 35 times, maybe 2 times a month, senza i-dialogue, senza i-awareness, just to make sure that they understand. Because I mean, angeke ngize understand okokuqala if I'm coming with the component of human rights. Because I know which are but they don't work for me. But if I can come with the knowledge that you know what, human rights for all and they're equal to all of us, you understand. So that's why it's a continuous thing, and I think there is hope, a big one.
Yeah, I wasn't asking that question from a point of arrogance, is what I'm saying. But I was asking which is near la ekolweni. Do you see a change in behavior? Do you see change in bullying? Is it decreasing? You understand? Because another thing, you can tell kids something else man na esikolweni. Nenye into ebamba impact environment ababuyela kuyo mababuyela ekhaya. You understand? Because esikolweni niyafika, you are teaching peace, you are teaching behavior ukuthi according to umuntu wesilisa akaziphathi kanje, akashaya umuntu wesifazane, akamshaya omunye umuntu makacabana naye, you report, this is what you do, you understand? But the moment makabuyela ekhaya, uba ushaya impama lapha kumama, you understand? So it's something I often say mangikhuluma nabantu ukuthi as much as kunama-channels woku-instilla i-discipline ebantwaneni, I wish ngathi manibahambisa ngingahambisa nabazali, because umntwana u-toxic the way umzali a-toxic ngakhona, you understand? So umzali usuyabona ukuthi this kid is too toxic, uyamthatha umnikise kulama-camp we-discipline, forgetting ukuthi that disciplined kid is coming back to this ill-disciplined household. You understand? So manithatha labantwana nibanikisa lapha ku-counselling ngathi ningahamba nabo nani bazali nihambe nalabantwana so that kungalungiswa bona bodwa but the family as a unit so that nonke manibuya nibe bantu abaphucukile. You understand? Angazi noma ngikhuluma kahle. Utheni lekama? Kanti wayelidlule ngoba isiZulu. Yeah. Okay. If you can get hold of Ikhanyisa Mahlala Entabeni or Men's Voice, you can solve 80% of the problems you have. Because from PEP to PrEP to ARVs to paralegal, legal related issues, your trauma, your raping, whatsoever, you'll get all the necessary help you have. If abakhona ukukusiza, they will refer you exactly to i-organization ezokunika lolo sizo oludingayo. Angazi noma ngikhulume kahle. That's true, ne?
Yes, because we work with both organization akhona. If ulenkinga ethizeni and me angikhona ukusiza. Ngiyamfonela coach, I have a client esototo. Ngicela nibe ni aware of course with your concern. It's very important. Uya concern nakuqala wena is it uyavuma ukuthi can I extend ukuthi uyalifuna yini usizo with your concern uyasho ukuthi no we can continue with the concern yakho but obviously confidentiality is at its best. So with your consent, uyavuma ukuthi I can call another organization
Sitholela usizo kubo. So which means kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi as much as nizobasiza nizocala nifuna ukwazi ukuthi uyafuna na ngitholela umuntu related kule issue onenkinga ngayo ozokulekelela, which is very good. Ningakhohlwa i-episode is short Justinos eSekunda. Fike nje la ngeza nomndeni wakho nizonqebeleka. There are many various things ongazenza khona iphuzo ezibandayo lezi ezibandayo nembobo silezi zibandayo yabo bese zikhona nezishisayo nezinye ezihlukile khona nokudla nje khona yonke inhlobo yento ungayidinga ungeza nje eJustinos Sekunda uzongcebeleka nawe nomndeni wakho. Okay, before sivala I would like to know, is there anything ama contacts sizobuya kuwo, but is there anything mhlambe enifuna ukuyisho to the public whatsoever nje positive ngalento eniyenzayo, whether it's a lesson, whether it's information enifisayo nje ukuthi abantu bangayazi?
Mina ngingakusho ukuthi as umphakathi waseGavin, not only Mbalenhle but the whole government, guys, come in numbers, get information, use this requirement that we have, so that the problem that we are facing ekuhlaleni bazokhona ukuminimize. We are pleasing, siyacela sisebenziseni. Amaphoyisa angeke asebenze wodwa, sikhona thina. Siyacela mphakathi sizeni, we'll deal with the matter when time goes on. Okubalulekile ukuthi nisizakale. That's what we are pleasing. Thank you ngiyabonga. Ngokutholakala Men's Voice sisembalenhle extension 7 3220. Mangabe i-direction yakufuna there's a contact number, but ngizofaka personal because I forgot the alternative one esiyisebenzisayo. It's 076 744 9861. 076 744 9861. Siyabonga kakhulu Men's Voice.
Thank you. For my side, we are for the community and we are dedicated for justice. So access those services, Sikona, utilize us, and then there are very positive side of everything is Kumangazi. For instance, if you're taking a treatment your ARV treatment, we have service which is called CMDD. So outside a clinic, they say you go to pick up language. So take your treatment right. And we are here. I'm from the Human Rights and Advocacy Office and Office Extension 18, the number 20021. Follow us on our Facebook page, which is Khanyisa Mahlala Entabeni home base.
Guys, ngiyabonga ukuba ama-guest ne-information crucial. Yabona ayikho into emnandi ngokuthi uvakashele abantu aba-informative, because if there's something obowuyicabanga but ingekho ngaleyo ndlela you get to ask and get the relevant answers yabo. Ayinto ama-conspiracy theories, you understand? Ukuthi hawu ungasabi wena yabona uma ubuya kuleya one night stand pussy prep uzoba right yabo, forgetting ukuthi that thing takes 28 days ukuthi umzimba wakho uyijwayele yabo. So ngiyabonga kakhulu for ukusivakashela, thank you so much for ukuzipha isikhathi nifike kule platform nizofundisa abantu free of charge, you understand, because ulwazi liyathengiswa, you all know, that's why we pay to go to Evercity, you understand. But ngibonga ukuthi nifike kule platform navula inhliziyo zenu naba informative, because lento eniyenzile angicabangi ukuthi ukhona umuntu manje who can suffer from depression, kukhona ama-free counseling classes, who can suffer from i-trauma yokuba abused whether physically or sexually, whereby kukhona ama-paralegal angamguide through i-process e-right yokuthi avule icala and athole usizo ne-counseling and so forth. Angithi angicabangi futhi ukuthi kukhona umuntu manje ongangitshela ukuthi uyasaba uko-check i-status sakhe, whereas ukungazi will do more damage than ukwazi. So sibonga isikhathi senu, sibonga ulwazi, sibonga nje nokuthi sihleli nje namuhla sanjabuleka konke kwaba right. My director ngiyakubona lapha ngakukhohlwa. Siyabonga lapha ekhaya, ningakhohlwa ke ni like, ni subscribe, ni follow. Ku YouTube it's the Equitable Podcast. Kuma social platforms umongameli wethu ufuza lapha enizothola khona ama shorts, ama reels nawo wonke ama video, ama podcast. Angithi ke, so siyabonga kakhulu, same time, same place on a different day. Danku. Sibonga kakhulu bafethu.